Every night, while you sleep, your brain opens a system so powerful, so precise, that scientists spent decades not even knowing it existed. A hidden network, built to remove the very toxins that cause Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, dementia, and it only activates when you sleep. This is the Glymphatic system. Hi, if we haven't met yet, I am the AI for Dr. Zuleta. While he is out there changing healthcare and helping people achieve real health and real vitality, I'm here sharing his messages. Dr. Zuleta is the founder of ThriveMed, a company built to expand human vitality. He writes every script, and him and his team read every single comment. So let's talk about something he believes is one of the most underrated levers of human performance and longevity: sleep. It is the key to longevity. For decades, we had a paradox. The brain is the most metabolically active organ in your body, and yet it has no lymphatic system, no dedicated waste removal plumbing. Every other organ in your body has one. The brain, nothing. Scientists were puzzled. How does the brain, burning glucose 24/7, firing 100 billion neurons, how does it take out its own trash? The answer came in 2013, and it changed everything. Dr. Maiken Nedergaard and her team at the University of Rochester published a landmark paper in the journal Science. What they discovered was a system they called the Glymphatic system, the brain's own internal cleaning network. Think of it like a dishwasher that runs only at night, a tidal wave of restoration. Here's what they found. When you fall asleep, something extraordinary happens at a molecular level. The cells in your brain physically shrink. Not all the way, but by about 60%, and that creates space. That space fills with cerebrospinal fluid that flows in waves, driven by the pulse of your arteries, washing through the brain like a tide. That fluid carries away toxic proteins, beta-amyloid tau, the exact proteins that build up in Alzheimer's disease. During sleep, beta-amyloid clearance increased dramatically. During wakefulness, it almost stopped. Think of it this way. Staying awake is like never washing your dishes. Every day, the residue builds up. Eventually, things break down, leaving your brain pristine and ready for a new day. The potential of this discovery is staggering. We've been chasing Alzheimer's cures in pills and procedures, but the most powerful tool you have is already built into your biology. It activates every night at no cost, no prescription, no side effects. 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep isn't a luxury, it's maintenance. It's your brain running its defrag cycle. But here's the hard truth. Most people are running on 5 or 6 hours, scrolling at midnight, waking up exhausted, and calling it normal. Every night you undersleep, your brain carries forward a toxic debt. Accumulated beta-amyloid, accumulated tau, building up year by year, decade by decade. The weakness isn't in the science, the weakness is in how little we've acted on it. Effectively resetting your biological clock every single night. This is exactly why at ThriveMed, we built sleep into the digital twin, one of the 4 core domains of what it means to be truly vital. Because when we model your unique biology, your biomarkers, your biometrics, your brain health trajectory, sleep isn't just a checkbox, it's a lever. And for many people, it's the highest yield intervention available to them today. Sleep is not where life pauses, it's where life repairs. It's where your brain clears the debris of the day, where memory consolidates, where the body resets for everything tomorrow asks of it. Every night you choose to sleep well is a night you choose your future self. The science is clear, the system is ready. The only question is, will you use it? And remember, stay vital. Join us at thrivemed.ai